Okay, so in this tutorial, we will now create our header part. So as you can see, balik tayo dun sa mockup. Ang header part niya is consisting of a hamburger menu on the right, logo on the left, then bunch of text and buttons on the top of the banner. And nakapatong yung header part niya sa banner part. So, I will teach you on how to do that. Okay. So, let's go back to theme options and then hit save changes. And then, let's view our site. So, hover nyo lang yung home nyo and then click visit site. In this case, I will open it in a new tab. Okay. So, this is our home page. Look. So, ito yung kaninang inad natin na sample page. So, meron siyang sample content din. So, para mag-edit ng page, you just have to click edit page on the middle top of your browser. So, click edit page and it will redirect you to our editor. Okay. So, WordPress has a default editor named Classic Editor. So, ito si Classic Editor. You can edit here visually or hindi ka nagagamit ng quotes, you just have to use these commands like bold, italic, bulleted, numbered list, block quote, align left, right, center, and insert and remove link, then insert ng more tag, and then this one is not necessary. Okay. So, in this case, buburahin ko yung mga content ni sample page. And then, gagamit tayo ng editor. So, para magamit natin yung editor, let's go to plugins, installed plugins, and open it in a new tab. So, i-activate natin yung plugin na yan. So, scroll down until makita nyo yung WP Bakery Visual Composer. So, WP Bakery Visual Composer is a drag and drop page builder for WordPress. Excuse. Okay, so hit activate. Okay, then after activating, close that tab and then hit publish. Okay. So after publishing, so kung makikita nyo, meron na tayong backend editor and frontend editor. So pwede tayo mag-switch now into 3 editors, the classic, the backend, and the frontend. And ang gagamitin natin dito sa tutorial na to is the backend editor. Because this editor is the most useful one and yung pinakamadali sa lahat. And hindi siya kumakain ng malaking bandwidth sa internet. Okay? So, let's preview our changes. So, remember, preview and update is different. If you only click preview, it will not save the changes you have made to your page. But if you hit update, it will be permanently updated. So, as you can see, na-remove natin yung text dito sa center. And then, temporary lang siya. Okay? So, after that, hit update. Because meron pa tayong mga bagay na kailangan gawin. So, yung mga bagay na yon, first, yung banner sa likod and then yung mga text na to. So, basically, kailangan natin mag-create ng animated slider for this. So, para mag-create ng animated slider, meron din tayong tinatawag na plugin for that. So, balik tayo dito sa edit page. Let's close theme options for a while. Then, go to Avada. Then, install plugins. Then, scroll down. And you will see Slider Revolution. So, hit install. So, just wait for a little bit. And then, plugin installed successfully. So, we just have to activate that plugin for it to work. So, scroll down. So, browse plugins and then scroll down. And then you will see Slider Revolution. So, and then click activate. And then successfully activated. So, we can now use Slider Revolution. So, as you can see, yung left pane ng dashboard natin is nadadagdagan. So, dyan nalalagay yung mga plugins and themes na ini-install natin. Okay. So, let's hit slider revolution dito sa pinakababa. And we will create our first banner. Okay. So, to create a slider, first, syempre, kailangan natin ng contents. So, meron na tayong contents. Just click new slider. And then, slider evolution will ask for your slider name and slider alias. So, slider name, let's set this to main. Slider alias, let's set this also to main. Then, scroll down until makita nyo tong slide layout, which is number 4. It will ask you to provide the width and length of your width and height of your canvas. So in this case, check muna natin kung ano ba yung size nung banner natin. So ang magiging banner natin is ito. Ang size niya is, let's right click, properties, then details. The dimensions are 1024 and 550 by height. So let's set this to 1024 and then 550, and then the rest, notebook, tablet, and mobile will set to auto sizes. So that it will be automatically converted into that views. Okay, so we are now ready to provide the contents of our slider. So first, we just have to upload a background image, which is here. Okay, so just click this radio button and then click media library for local images and click object library for built-in templates. Okay, so in this case, meron tayong files. So, ang gagamitin natin is si media library. So, pwede tayong mag-upload through button or just drag your image on the media library. Okay, so in this case, i-drag ko lang siya. Pag nakita nyo itong blue overlay na to, bitawan nyo lang yung mouse nyo and then it will be automatically updated or uploaded to your media library. So, click insert, then scroll down, and as you can see, nagkaroon ng laman yung slider natin. Okay. So, para makita natin siya ng full, press Control and then scroll down your mouse para lumiit yung screen nyo. Okay. So, eto na yung full view nung banner natin. So, ang gagawin natin dito, mag-a-add tayo ng layers or objects. So, add layer, image. Okay. So, in this case, dito sa mockup na to, etong part na to, na-save ko na siya as image, etong button, and then etong play button sa gilid. Okay? So, we just have to insert and update the slider for it to take effect. Okay. So, punta tayo sa downloads, then select natin yung mga i-upload natin. So, the play button, the banner button, and the banner text. So, tulad na nung kanina, i-drag mo lang siya and then ma-upload na siya. Okay. So, yung first na i-upload natin or i-insert is si text. So, select, then hit insert, then mapupunta siya dito. And then, as you can see, dinadrag lang siya para magalaw siya dun sa loob ng slider. Okay, so resize lang natin ng konti and then move down. Okay, and then, ayan, okay na siya. Then after that, we're going to add the what we do button. So, click insert, then drag ulit sa pinakababa, below. And then, last but not the least, yung play button. So, si play button, ipoposition natin siya dito sa may gilid. So, just like what the mockup looks like. Okay, and then hit save slide. Okay, so ganun lang, meron na tayong animated slider. And pwede natin siyang lagyan ng animation. So, let's hit play. So, as you can see, nagfi-fade lang siya. Kasi yung layer niya is pare-parehas ng transition time. So, itong mga layer na to, such as this, pag kinlik ko siya, lalabas yung layer na to, pwede natin siyang i-move. And eto, pwede rin natin siyang i-move. And eto rin, pwede natin siyang i-move. Then, hit play. Okay, so meron silang transition per object. So, hit save slide. And we will continue this header part on the next tutorial.